Since all of us we know, consistency is the main key of learning English language. If we really want to master English language, then we should be consistent throughout our journey. Despite knowing this particular fact, most of us we are not able to be consistent towards our journey, and because of which most of the learners, like out of 100, mostly only 2%, only two students, they can achieve their goal because they are able to be consistent. They are able to make consistency towards their goal, towards their dreams. And most of us we can't because we need something to be consistent. But why is it happening with all of us? Have you ever thought why some of the successful people, they have achieved so much so far, but we haven't yet, despite putting lots of effort, despite trying several times? So if you are the also one who also want to be consistent throughout your English language learning journey, then in this video I am going to tell you a particular way to be consistent throughout your journey to master English language, because consistency can only make you fluent in English, and consistency will help you to get whatever you want in your life. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am, and I Shoda welcome you all. Hope you are doing well, and in today's video, as I have already mentioned that in today's video I am going to discuss consistency. Why is it so difficult to maintain consistency, and how can a learner be able to consistent throughout his or her journey of learning anything, any particular skill, or mastering any particular skill? So first of all, just tell me, if when you spend so much time on daily basis on your screen, what is there because of which you are able to be consistent on wasting your time, on ruining your life? You just spend lots of time in front of your screen. You are just watching lots of you, like, without any sense. You are just watching lots of content. These videos, these content are not going to help you in your life, and you know that what I am doing, it is ruining my life. It is not helping me to develop my particular skill. It is not helping me to do anything better in my life. Instead, it is spoiling my life. However, we just keep doing it. We know that in order to be a healthy person, we have to wake up early in the morning. We have to get up. We have to come out of a comfortable zone. We have to do yoga, meditation, exercise. We don't. We are human beings, and we always tend to do those things which can spoil our life. But those habits which can make you a greater person in this world, we can't. And this is nothing like that. We don't know about this. We know about the results. We know about the shortcomings of everything. However, we can't. We we know that consistency make us anything, whatever we dream about. When we watch a video, we think about, okay, from today onwards I will try to do this. From today onwards I will try to make consistency. However, we can't. We just keep doing it for 3 days, 4 days, 1 week, and after that again we feel like that there's lack of motivation. Maybe someone will come to motivate me, then I'll restart. If you are the also one who always keeps waiting for outer motivation just to be consistent towards your dream, towards your goal, then I think it will never ever happen. Okay, as I asked you a question earlier, what is there what is there because of which you are so consistent when it comes to watching reels? Okay, when it comes to um, when you become addict to a particular habit, then how? When it comes to be accustomed to a good habit, then we can't. But when it comes to be accustomed to a bad habit, then we become very easily, because we enjoy that process. Yes friends, this is the main reason. Because when we enjoy a particular process, then we feel like we crave for doing this again and again, and we can't help us doing that particular activity. This is the thing that you have to do when it comes to learning English language. When it comes to learning any particular skill, then first of all you need to figure it out which one particular way is very enjoyable for you. You will have to make your journey enjoyable for you. Your journey shouldn't be monotonous, because if you are kind of person whose journey is totally monotonous, then it's really very difficult to be motivated to be consistent. Okay, so try to make your journey enjoyable, then you will be able to make consistency. And because I am giving you this example, I am just telling you because of my personal example. Okay, I'm here, and really I'm enjoying this process, and therefore I am able to be consistent towards English language learning journey. And the second reason because of which we always feel like something is missing, we do for 3 or 4 days, we work towards a goal for 1 week, for 2 weeks, but after that again we don't, because we always depends on others, we always think, if I am feeling demotivated, then someone will come and he will motivate me, then I will restart my journey. Then it's not going to happen. If you have set a goal, you are really very passionate, you are so dedicated about getting that particular goal, then you will have to select your priorities. You will have to prioritize your time, you will have to be disciplined. And one thing that I would like to tell you, when we feel like so energized towards a goal, like something we find very really very captivating for me, and we decide, yeah, I will also learn that particular skill, then in our earlier days of learning, then we become so uh, powerful, or we feel like putting lots of things, like when it comes to developing a habit of reading a book, and most of the learner, they try to read in their initial days, they try to read 10 pages or 15 pages in a day, but over time they don't read even a single page. So it's better to start your journey from the very first day from one page, and then in this way you will be able to be consistent. Don't set big goals for you on daily basis, try to set small goals so that you can achieve your goals easily. And if your goals will be achievable on daily basis, then just by completing this, just by achieving those goals, you will feel motivated, and then you will definitely pat on your back, and then you will need nobody to motivate you. Okay, so this is really very important when it comes to maintaining consistency, that try to set small goals on daily basis and achieve those goals, and just achieving those goals will bring a sense of satisfaction as well as happiness in your life. Yes, I have completed my today's task, and I am really productive, I am learning something on daily basis. Today I have worked on this particular um, sentence structure, and now I will not make this particular mistakes, I will not repeat this mistakes. So in this way we can achieve what we really want to achieve. Okay, and next thing that I want to tell you, that sometimes what happens, we want us to do so many things, okay, in a single day. That's not possible. We also want to learn English language, we also want to do something else, we also want to do something else. No, if you are the one who is trying to work on so many things, then it's not going to help you. Your focus is needed. So at that very moment, try to focus only on one thing. Your focus should be increased, then only you can learn that particular skill faster than others. Because most of us, we are so much distracted by, like, this is also very important for my career, this one is also very important for my career, I have to work on everything, and it's not going to happen. If you are the one who works on a particular goal at a single time, then it is really achievable. We can achieve it and we can be consistent. But when we try to achieve so many things in our life at a single time, then our life becomes totally pathetic for us, it becomes totally mundane, and it's It's not good for our brain, because when our brain is totally distracted, then we will achieve nothing in our life. Forget about anything you are going to achieve. So you need to be focused. You need to find out which one is more important for you and focus only that. If listening helps you, then focus only on listening. If reading helps you in your case, then focus only on reading. You will have to set your priorities. Don't compare yourself with others, that person is reading 50 pages in a day, why can't I? Because he is enjoying that process. He is an avid reader, he enjoys. But in your case, if you are fond of watching reels or watching educational reels, watching English videos, then go for it. Because listening is also very helpful. In some cases, like authors, they love writing a lot. So in their case, writing helps them to whatever is there, to write down everything on the notebook. So different people have their different perception, but you need to find out what is yours. And all those things, when you will focus, when you will start focusing on all those things, then eventually you can see that, yeah, making consistency is not so difficult. I can be consistent, and I can achieve whatever I dream about. So now, in the last of this segment, I would say, if still you are feeling that you are a diffident speaker, you can't express yourself, you can't be an assertive speaker, then one thing is needed: believe in yourself. Try to achieve only a single goal on daily basis, and when you will achieve that goal, pat on your back, give yourself some gifts, give yourself some presents, enjoy that moment, be happy throughout your journey. If you will be happy, then only good hormones will be increased in your mind, and then everything will be possible for you. So with this thought, I would like to say bye bye, and I hope you must have learned something from this video. And from today onwards, you will never ever find that you are not so conscious towards your learning journey. No matter what happens, you have to set your priorities. Okay, you have to set only small goals, and you have to be the motivator of yourself. You have to be disciplined, and then everything will be possible for you. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.